Alrighty, boys and girls. So Auntie Tina showed me how to properly. We're gonna harvest some of our leafy vegetables. So like some lettuce, maybe some kale, and some Swiss chard. You guys know.
Garden education is not just learning about the plants and the nutrition. It's an opportunity for Aina-based education, and really all of our students come from ancestors who farm. We live on an island surrounded by water, and sustainability and self-reliance is inherent in all of these kids, and many of them live that way today. You know, Farm to School is statewide movement, and that the students are not only about what foods are grown locally, but how to grow them themselves, and how that relationship of food systems is so important, even more so today than ever.
Maunaloa is situated on the west side of Molokaʻi, established in 1936, I believe. I think personally this year they have roughly 40 students. So we talked about sustainability way back in the early 2000s about that we got to do something about it. And although we're a small school, if we can do a little piece of it, and when you think of a garden, the garden provides you so many opportunities. You know, it's not just food production. It provides you a realistic or authentic way to learn outside of just the classroom and the content.
I want to learn about new plants that I haven't learned about and how to garden, because sometimes I don't really know all the instructions and the directions to making a plant grow. So that's what I want to learn about gardening. I felt like I was nervous because I was the only first grader with my other friend, and my teacher told me that we're going to have to be doing a lot of the garden, so I know that I had to do a lot of work, and I had to interview the principal lots of times, and I had to clean out the garden beds and stuff. So it was a lot of fun, but at first I thought it was going to be hard, but now that I think of it, it's really, really easy.
Putting that seed in the ground, taking care of it and watching it grow is not a foreign concept. And because there's that relevance for the students, teachers are able to cross-cut in math, science, Hawaiian values through concepts of garden education. So really, the garden is the classroom, the most effective classroom.
My dream is to be a teacher because it's nice and I like the teachers here, but I hope nobody wants to, mess it up or anything, so I hope people want to keep the school open for Molokaʻi.